Welcome back. Today, we're breaking down an exciting and informative topic in the world of online technology and decentralized systems. We'll be exploring what a decentralized platform like Tether Club is, how it works, and why these kind of systems matter in today's digital world. This will be easy to understand even if you're new to blockchain or decentralized platforms, so let's dive in. In the simplest terms, a decentralized platform is a digital system that is not controlled by a single organization or company. Instead, it uses a network of computers, often spread around the world, to operate in a shared and open way. That means decisions and operations happen through agreed upon rules that everyone on the network follows rather than one central authority. These platforms are often built using blockchain technology, which is a type of digital record keeping that is transparent and secure. One example of a decentralized platform is Tether Club. At its core, Tether Club aims to let users participate in a smart contract powered ecosystems. Smart contracts are programs stored on a blockchain that runs exactly as they were set up without having anyone to manually enforce them. Think of smart contracts as digital agreements that automatically do what they say that they will do once certain conditions are met. This adds a level of automation, transparency, and fairness to transactions and interactions on the platform. So, how do people use platforms like Tether Club? Users can join the system with digital wallets, engage with tools and services, and participate in transactions or community activities. Because the system is decentralized, users have more direct control over what they own and have they interact with it instead of relying on middlemen or gatekeepers. This setup can help reduce fees, speed up transactions, and offer more openness in how data and activity are handled. You might wonder why decentralized ecosystems are important. First, they give off control to users rather than the central company itself. These can lead to greater freedom and independence in how people manage digital assets and information. Second, these platforms promote transparency because the blockchain keeps a sacred and secret that everyone can manage and review. It's much harder for data to be hidden or tampered with in secret. Finally, these centralized platforms are helping innovators build new tools from digital finance to online communities in ways that were not possible before. Platforms like Tether Club are part of a broader movement toward digital systems where users have more say and more access to tools that were once limited to bigger organizations. So, even if you're just learning about these ideas, understanding the basics can prepare you for how technology is evolving and how people around the world are interacting with it. That wraps up our friendly, easy to understand look at decentralized platforms and what something like Tether Club is all about. If you find this helpful, please like, subscribe, and let us know what topic you want to be explained next.